Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a unique video. Don't know what I just dropped. Anyways, this is the very first unboxing on this channel. Pretty super excited about this and what's inside, so let's get right to it. I'm using the Frost Cutlery Avenger. Very, very nice knife. Review of this guy coming up pretty soon. I scribbled out all the things you guys don't need to know about me. I have a day off work. I figured it'd be a good idea to, film a video. And yes, my job is professional mall ninja. That's my outside YouTube job. Here it is. CRKT. Which one is it? Well, let's get right in here and look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I picked this guy up because it was 20 bucks. That's a pretty good mall ninja price to pay for something. This is the CRKT Spew. A little bit smaller than I thought it would be. But it is a neck knife, so I guess that's to be expected. Yeah. Kind of like that blade shape. Then here's the little sheath for it, with a little twisty doohickeys. Get those out of here. And I'll have to set up this necklace thing later. So what else there was in the box? Some papers and some little, I think this is so I can attach it to a belt. That might come in handy. If this goes, I'll figure it out. Aha, yes, this is a knife we need to get on the channel. How to survive when trapped in a submerged car. Very, very nice mall ninja information there. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so yeah, that's gonna be about it for this video. I know this was rather short, but CRKT Spew. I like it. Got a little lanyard there. I like it quite a bit. There will be a review of this guy coming up one of these days, and yeah, super excited for that. But for right now, let's test something. Very nice. Alrighty. Sharpening choil, or sharpening there by the plunge grind is messed up, but I love that. Alrighty, well, there we go. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video, which might be later today or something. But, yeah, take care.